Raise your hand if you like saving a few bucks, because I know I sure do, and Walmart, of all places, allows me to do that. Walmart's probably the last place you would think of to buy groceries and, you know, go grocery shopping on a Sunday morning, but it's one of my favorite places to do so, and I'll show you why. The first favorite is something that I mentioned in my last video, which is these Premier protein drinks. I use these in coffee, I drink them standalone, I put them in smoothies, I pretty much do everything with them. And my second favorite to this protein is this Body Fortress protein. I picked this bad boy up for $16.98, which is insane. All those proteins that you find on Instagram are like $40 to $60 for 30 servings. This has 30 servings and is $16.98. That is insane. And it also has 30 grams of protein per scoop, and a lot of the ones that you find on Instagram only have 25, which is kind of crazy to me. Chocolate is a new flavor for me. They didn't have vanilla when I went, but the vanilla, not the vanilla cream, just the plain vanilla is definitely my favorite protein powder of all time. I put it in everything. Shakes, smoothies, protein pancakes, protein waffles, literally everything. Even my husband likes it, and that is saying something. This protein, every bang for your buck. The next favorite that I want to talk about is produce. Believe it or not, Walmart has the best produce that I found pretty much anywhere around where I live. This week we got blueberries, blackberries, raspberries. It's the only place that I found cotton candy grapes so far this summer, and if you haven't tried those, you have to. They are so good. And the cherries, nectarines, peaches, apples, everything that I have found at Walmart as far as their produce goes, as long as the date is good and it's not sitting there around on the shelf, because believe me, sometimes it is. As long as it's not any of those things, it is great, and I highly, highly recommend it. Especially like these stir-fried kits. They come with like this little sauce. You just put them in a pan, warm them up with the sauce on. Amazing. Rice, chicken, pork. So good. Now, these things you can and can't get everywhere, and the really cool thing about Walmart is they're starting to get a lot of really new items, which is exciting. So like I picked up these Mush overnight oats and Chobani, killing the game with Greek yogurt these days. Strawberry cheesecake, Greek yogurt, it's so good. And apple crisp twist is another flavor that I picked up. These guys are amazing, and if you have the Ibotta app too, girl, get some money back. Amazing. I love saving money, but I also love getting free money. So these have been on Ibotta for a couple of weeks now. Get it before it's gone, because they're paying you to eat yogurt. That's delicious. You can't go wrong with that. One of my favorite pieces of workout equipment that I've ever bought is this kettlebell right here. It's 30 pounds, which may seem like a lot, but a lot of people can squat 30 pounds, so I thought it was like a really great place to start. Turns out it is, because it's still a challenge and I'm 2 years into my journey. Walmart is great for things like this because you can find them a lot less inexpensive than sporting goods stores or, you know, online really, because then you have to pay for shipping. That can be an arm and a leg. I have gotten dumbbells, this kettlebell, even those like little plastic resistance bands and fitness trackers, and you know, all of these things from Walmart that have helped me in my fitness journey. And I mean, this bad boy, when I sling this around, it makes me feel pretty badass. So if there's one thing that I say get overall, it's this kettlebell right here. And lastly, clothes. This t-shirt I got for $1 at Walmart. $1. $1. Can't even believe it. Leggings. They have these cute sundresses that have pockets. Like, hello? I bought 2 colors. They're on clearance right now for $9. Can't go wrong. Black leggings, I mean, come on. They're cheap. They are pretty nice quality. I'm not gonna say that they're squat proof, but like, you know, what leggings really are squat proof? I don't really know. That are also comfortable. Gotta throw in the comfortable part. I have not found a pair of comfortable leggings that are squat proof. Yeah, nope. Because either they are way too freaking tight or they're way too freaking thick and you're sweating your ass off, or you're just like, I can't breathe, you can't do anything. You can't squat anyway because you can't breathe. So go to Walmart, get yourself some black leggings, get yourself some clearance dresses, and get yourself a dollar tee because it's dollar. Hey guys, so it is the next morning, but I thought since one of my favorites was some of the new things at Walmart, I would show you these acai packets that I also picked up and I'm super excited about because everybody root and raves about acai bowls, and I don't think anybody makes them in my town, and I'm not about to drive 45 minutes for breakfast. So I finally found some acai packets and I'm gonna make my own. So in the blender cup, which I also know you can get at Walmart, it's that Ninja blender, I have some frozen bananas. And quick tip about frozen bananas, let me get them. Every time that I have some bananas that are going bad, I break them up into little pieces, I put them in a freezer bag, and I put them in my freezer. I probably had this freezer bag a little bit too long, but the bananas in there are relatively fresh because I just keep rotating bananas in there. And then you always have frozen bananas on hand so you can make smoothies and, you know, banana ice cream and all of that other stuff. Awesome tip. Everybody always buys way too many bananas. So freeze them. Okay, back to business. So frozen bananas, frozen blueberries, which you can also get at Walmart, one acai packet, and I like thawed it out a little bit in some cold water just so that way it would actually come out of the packet. Okay, and then I also found these Good Belly probiotic yogurts. There we go. And I'm gonna throw that in there because, you know, probiotics are great. And I'm really hoping that this is gonna turn out like spoonable, like thick. Really good. Specks of vanilla bean in there. Yeah, that's probably not gonna work. Well, I tried. Into the blender. And then I'm gonna swirl this on. And I might have to add a little bit of water. Not really sure, but we're just gonna try to. A whole bunch of acai stuck at the bottom. Can't let it go to waste. I think this thing was like $10-ish, probably like 8 something, maybe. I don't remember. It wasn't very cheap. I'm gonna put it that way. For Walmart and its cheap stuff, wasn't the cheapest thing that I ever purchased, but fingers crossed these acai bowls are worth it. I unplugged it from the wall. Alright, it's probably good. So. Ooh, yeah. Nice and thick. Alright. We'll decorate. Got my protein coffee, naturally. We did good on the texture, guys. Well done. Yeah. They were like, add milk to it online, and I was like, if this girl adds milk to it, it's gonna be runny as shit. You know, the bad kind of shit. The kind of shit you don't want. Alright. And then we do what every Instagram queen does, and we now, if I had more banana, I'd probably put some more banana on top. But I don't have any more banana. And you know what? We've already got probably like a banana and a half in the bowl already, so we don't really need any more banana. But for some healthy fats, we're gonna sprinkle on some chia seeds, like a little crescent moon. This is like legit what I do with myself, in my kitchen. So this is why I'm kind of glad I decided to start recording, so that way I'm just not talking to myself. I'm actually talking to someone. Now, I also don't have much of this left, but one of my favorite cereals, Kashi Gold, Walmart. And we just, take a little sprinkle of that. Oh, I'm such an idiot. Duh, I got blueberries and raspberries and blackberries. We got a couple blackberries. We got a sprinkle of blueberries. Voila! And last, but certainly not least, of my favorite raspberries. So good. Voila, guys! there we have it. It's so beautiful. I cannot wait to dig in. All right, I'm gonna taste it. It looks so beautiful. I don't even want to mess it up. Okay, we're gonna go for it. I'm so excited. Oh my God. I'm not sure I'm gonna be able to live without this. Wow. It's like ice cream for breakfast. This will make you want to get out of bed in the morning. You've got to make this. Get to Walmart, get all my favorites, make all my favorite things. You're gonna have a great day. Cheers, guys. Thanks for hanging out with me.